لا إكراه في الدين قد تبين الرشد من الغي.
I would also like to take an opportunity to highlight something that is quite similar to vigilante killings, but which are not highlighted as much. What I'm talking about are United States drone strikes. How can you undertake these drone strikes without a fair trial? And there is no condemnation for this. Just to show you that, can you see any difference in terms of the end result and the mechanism? Can you see any difference? Why not a lot of coverage for US illegal drone strikes? Okay, assalamu alaikum. So today I will be talking about this recent Sialkot incident that has been linked to vigilante mob killings or honor killings. And obviously, as Muslims, we condemn all sort of vigilante mob killings, right? We are against this notion of a vigilante group becoming the judge, jury, and the executioner. And by the way, majority of Muslims condemn these things anyways, right? We all know that. And these type of events actually hurt the Muslims, us, more than any other religious group. That's a given as well. So with condemning these kind of killings, I would also like to take an opportunity to highlight something that is quite similar to vigilante killings, but which are not highlighted as much. What I'm talking about are United States drone strikes. Why are these drone strikes not highlighted as much as these honor killings or vigilante killings, right? Obviously, Muslims condemn it, right? The problem is that the media gives coverage of these vigilante killings so much, and I'm not saying it that they shouldn't. While on the other hand, the drone strikes, which also take place without a fair trial, why does the media not highlight those as much as these honor killings? These drone strikes have been occurring since the Bush administration, and afterwards Obama administration, Trump administration, and also Biden administration in Afghanistan, Pakistan, Somalia, Yemen, Syria. I mean, where is all the coverage? So my question is that why media doesn't give equal coverage to illegal US drone strikes? And by the way, Amnesty International have called these drone strikes as a war crime. Now, let me give you my thesis for all this question, right? My little bit of research, right? Just to show you that if some of you from the non-Muslim community or the community in the Western world is doubting what I'm saying, right? Let me prove my point a bit. So here is a slide just to show you that can you see any difference in terms of the end result and the mechanism? Can you see any difference? Why not a lot of coverage for US illegal drone strikes? Just see it. Vigilante killings and USA drone strikes. No courts in both scenarios. No fair trial, no judge, no jury, no executioner. But the last point is very important, the end result. What is the end result in both scenarios? Death. Death. Murder. So the end result is the same. It's death. So where is the condemnation of the non-Muslim community, the Western media, and also even I would say the Muslim media, the Pakistani media, the Indian media? Where is the condemnation of these US drone strikes? Where is? I mean, it's so frustrating. I would also like to suggest that these drone strikes are actually a bigger problem than vigilante killings because they occur in greater number. And there are also other reasons for this. So the question is why US drone strikes are a bigger problem than even these vigilante honor killings. Three main points. Number one, vigilante killings are few and far between, whereas USA drone strikes are many. 14,040 minimum confirmed drone strikes have taken place according to the Bureau of Investigative Journalism. 14,040 in Somalia, in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, in Yemen, in Syria. Where is the condemnation? 16,901 have been killed, including 2,200 civilians and 454 children. Let's say no civilian was killed. Let's say all combatants were killed, because this Western world likes to portray, oh, we have killed terrorists, we are only killing terrorists, we are only killing militants, these idiots. And they don't want to discuss with us the administrative mechanisms, the values upon which civilizations have always existed, to assume innocent until proven guilty, to give a fair trial, to give a fair trial in court. Where is that? How can you undertake these drone strikes without a fair trial? And there is no condemnation for this. So the first reason why these drone strikes are a bigger problem is that they are many. The second reason, at least these vigilante killings are not backed by the Muslim governments or the governments in the subcontinent or the governments in the Middle East. They are not backed by. I mean, they are done by sometimes by kangaroo courts, the Jarga courts, the vigilantes, right? They are not backed by governments. Whereas these drone strikes are backed by government. So this is even more dangerous, because these are being backed by a majority group to kill human beings without a fair trial. These are being backed by the US government. Please, people, wake up, condemn these drone strikes. I mean, we condemn these vigilante killings. Muslims condemn it. Why can't the people from the West or the non-Muslims, even the Muslims are, I don't think, condemning as much as they should? And the last reason why US drone strikes are a bigger threat and a bigger problem is that at least the vigilante killings are backed by misguided religious groups, not the majority held beliefs of religious groups, right? Misguided religious groups. So the majority of Muslim community denounce these attacks. They say that the judge should execute, not these vigilante groups, right? But with USA drone strikes, these are backed by Western supremacy, Western imperialism, Western colonialism, Western liberalism, right? So it is also another ideology, right? It is also another ideology. Why are you not condemning these drone strikes? So just to wrap up, I'm not trying to deflect the situation, not trying to deflect. We condemn these incidents. We condemn, and these incidents pain us more than any other religious groups. But I would like to take this opportunity to highlight another big problem, which has not been addressed for many years, and which have been occurring for many years, even a couple of decades, right? So these vigilante killings should be condemned, and the amount of energy taken by media and the public groups to condemn these vigilante killings, they should spend 1,000 times more energy in condemning the United States drone strikes.